Hi, I'm going to show you another product here in ClickBank that's not saturated, or not too much people are promoting this product. And if you are here already in affiliate marketplace, so just click here in the search bar and type in credit card repair. Okay, so once you see this product, credit card repair magic, so as you can see 3.83, so it means that it's still selling, although not that much, because as I mentioned, this is not too popular. So you can take advantage of this product and use your affiliate marketing skill to make some sales, and it pays decently, so 47.71 per sale. So if you click the sales page, and also I'm going to show you how you can promote this in some strategy to promote this in Bing ads. So as you can see, it gets some decent sales page, although we don't have that much image that we can use to make a beautiful landing page, but that's okay. So again, when we are doing affiliate marketing, it's really important to have a landing page. So what you can do is, before we create a campaign in Bing Ads, head over to a website called thepagepro.com. So in this website, in this platform, you can create multiple landing pages for free, especially ClickBank products. So what you can do here is sign up for a free account. Once you have the free account, so sign in with that. Okay, and here in your dashboard you will see all the list of landing pages you created earlier. So what you can do is head over to again sales page. So we will be starting to create a landing page for this website. Before that, what we can do is save two images first, because when you are here in the dashboard, just click on add new landing page. So you can create a new landing page, and then the landing page title, credit card repair magic. And then the type will be normal. There are two type, opt-in and normal, so just select normal. Path name will be the URL that you saw here in your landing pages. So if I open that again in a new tab, this will be the entire path of your landing page. So make sure there's no space here in path name. So what you can type here is credit repair, just a short path name to identify your landing page. And then here's section to show, just take both. Okay, as I would like to show you one example. So if you head over to this landing page, as you can see, we've got the bullet section around here. It's looking really neat, and we have a little article at the bottom, to support our landing page. So that's how it will look like when you create a landing page using the thepagepro.com. So no need to do any fancy things, so just fill in some basic information here in create landing page section. So here in bottom text, it will be this one, so continue to Java burn, for example. So in our case, continue to credit card repair magic, credit repair. We don't need to put the card, something like that, and then put this in these three fields. And then to highlight, I mean to have this main color of your buttons and the top bar section here. So just select color here. So for example, go to your sales page, go to the ClickBank sales page, and we grab this color, this blue background. So I have here some Firefox extension which will grab the color. So copy that and head over here and then paste it. So if you don't know the hexa code, just choose something else here in the color selection. So that's fine. And affiliate link, most importantly, get that from here, from your ClickBank account. So click this promote and create hap link, and then we copy this hap link, and then we embed it here in our landing page, so that every time they click this button, so it goes to our sales page of our product that we are promoting from ClickBank, and with our hap link, if we make the sale, and then we get the commission. All right, very easy. Now the top bar text will be this section around here. So what you can do is get some idea from the sales page again. So say for example, free report sent to your email, like okay, let's credit card will fix your credit card. So this one, we can use this as our headline over here, right? Okay, so we do that, so the headline will appear on this area. Okay, and then here we can get some small. There can only be one base, and this is it. Okay, we can put this as the top bar text. Okay, and then here image, the image will be the main image of our landing page. As I was saying earlier, there's no good image that we can use for credit cards, because the sales page doesn't provide anything. Let us see if there is any affiliate page here. Let's take a look. Resources, banner ads, article, text links. Okay, banner ads, I think we can use this. Okay, I think we can get this one or this one. Not that much. Okay, not that much images. What we can do is we head to Google, And here I just type in credit repair magic, so we can get some sample images that we can use in our landing page. So I think what we can do is get some nice quality image around here. This is a good example. So right click and then save this image. Okay, once it's saved, go back to your editor. So here, what you can do is click this manage images. So this will be your repository for all the images you use in the Page Pro. And some of the images here, if you want, you can reuse them. So just copy. So if you want a new image, so just upload it here. So let's upload that. Okay, once you browse the image, so just click on upload. And this is our new image. Now what you do here is just copy the um, file name, head back to our the Page Pro editor, paste it here. So here, the bullet points will be what you see here, some important points that we want to show immediately to our visitor for our landing page so that they can instantly click the continue button. So what we do here is again get some idea from the landing page, some text that we can use here. It's perfect for us. So copy that. So as you can see, there is some extra formatting here. So to remove that, let's open up a notepad and paste the text there first, and we copy them. So remove this. Okay, copy those and head back to this, and then save our landing page. So that's how easy it is. So it's done, almost done. So if you click on view landing page, so as you can see, we have created a really nice looking landing page which is ready to get promoted. Okay, so here what we can do is we can create a some small article at the bottom of our landing page like this. So to do that, again, head back here, and here, as you can see, grab some article which you can put. So for example, 5 benefits that can make credit repair magic world's best credit card repair system. So you can copy that as the heading of your small article. So the same thing as the bullet section, so make that as heading. So another thing that you can do here is highlight, and then click this highlight so that it highlights some of the text that you wanted to stand out. Okay, so same as this one. Okay, so this one is green and the other texts are black, so you can do that as well. So here, 5 benefits, we can do that. Click on HL, as you can see, it turns blue. And then article image section, okay, same thing. What we can do is head back to Google and select something that will I think okay, we can use this, okay, as our example. Okay, but the quality is not good, so okay, I think great. Here we can use this exact image because this is what we're trying to promote. So save that again, save this image. Okay, now once you save that, go back again to the repository, upload that. So click here to browse. Okay, once you browse that, click on upload image, and there you go. Just copy this, copy, then head back to the editor, paste that, and then for article here, just copy anything from here. This is just an example, okay, so you can do better than this, so just copy correctly. Just see what are the things you are copying correctly. So here it's 5 values, so copy these 5 things and paste it here. All right, so here, as you can see, it's also pasting some of the formatting, so you can just remove them easily. Okay, and you can leave these items around here. All right. Okay, so remove those links because the Page Pro will also copy the formatting, so you can remove the link so that you can avoid the page from going to an incorrect link. So just remove those links to make your life easier. So just don't copy it directly. Some of the things you may have to rewrite it your own if you are really serious about creating decent landing page using the Page Pro. So you can do that. So as you can see here, we're almost done, and when you click that, I'm going to show you how it looks now. View landing page. And this is the bullet section, and here you have a nice looking article section. So as you can see here, we want this other paragraph to be on the bottom of this image. It's very easy. What you can do here is there is a one-time step that you will do. Copy this split, copy that, and just paste it to the section where you want the the paragraph to be on the next row, on the bottom of the image. So I paste that here, save offer. Okay, now let's view the landing page again. All right, great. It's perfect. See, we have a little article here that's from the landing page itself. And at the very bottom, we have the button here. When you click that, it goes to the sales page. And when we make a sale, then we get the commission. All right, so this is ready to be promoted to some advertising platform that you know. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote this in Bing ads or Microsoft ads. So what you do here is go to all landing pages so that you can get the URL of your newly created landing page. So copy that. Okay, copy and head over to your Bing Ads account. So once here you are here in Bing Ads, first we need to do is find the right keywords, okay, for this credit card repair. Now click this tools, and you see here keyword planner, so just click that. Once you're here in keyword planner, click this, and you can type here credit repair. All right, get suggestion. Now, as you see here, make sure you select this keyword suggestion so you get exactly what you're looking. So as you can see, credit repair, it's not that, expensive. The cost per click for keywords are not that competitive. That's why I was telling you in the first place that this product is, unsaturated. Not too much people are promoting this product from ClickBank, so we can take advantage. So don't worry about this high cost per click. You don't worry about it. We can set our bid amount every click, the amount that we are willing to pay. So what you do here is click all these keywords, right? Click all those keywords, and what you do is save to my account. This is an easy way to do that. Click that, and then create a new search campaign. Okay, so here what we do here is credit campaign name, credit repair. And then our daily budget is, let's say you're willing to spend $25 per day, and make sure you set this default bid. Okay, so every click we want to pay only 0.20 cents. Okay, so when we send 100 visitors, we will just only pay $20 in total. Okay, now click save and continue, and you will see this alert here. What you do is click this create ads for your new campaign. So click that, and then you will be landed in this actual campaign that you are going to create. You will be here in ad section. You can immediately create the ads. Now click that create ad, select group, of course this one, credit repair, and now you are here in the actual ad. So paste the URL that you get from the page pro. So this is exactly what we will be promoting, and then the headline. So here credit repair software, so it's already suggesting you some headline, credit repair magic. You can do that, and okay, here if you don't want the suggested text, so of course go back to the landing page. We'll fix your credit faster than any other. Okay, you have a lifetime access, so you can copy that and paste that here. At least 3, we have to put at least 3 headlines, and then okay, go back to our here. It's not here. World's best credit repair system. You can try that, because it's quite challenging to create a headline in the campaign, because it keeps you only under 30 characters. So world's, here we can replace with, okay, exactly what we're, okay, so this is how our ad will look like, right? pagepro.com. okay, now here what you can do is you can type the path here. So as you can see here, you have your username. You have your username, and you have this. Okay, so that it also appears in the ad, because some people don't like to click the ads itself. They will just type the URL. Okay, so in that case, you'll also save some money, because if they don't click your ad, you don't pay here in Microsoft Bing Ads. And the description, very easy. There are also suggestions here. You can use that, and you can use that. Okay, but of course, if you are doing if you wanted to be serious about it, make sure you put the right description, so that people will be going to the correct offer that you're trying to provide them. Okay, you don't mislead information about what they're trying to search for. Okay, but in this example, since Bing Ads is already suggesting a nice description, so you can do that as well to make your campaign setup really easy and quick. Okay, once you have that, so here, as you have your ads over here, so just save that. Okay, now once you save that, it's done. So you just wait for Bing Ads to approve that. It may take less than 24 hours to do that. So as you can see here, eligible, so that means no issue in the campaign that you set up. So it doesn't mean that it's approved. Once you see some impressions starting to increase here, that means they have approved your ads, and you can now start to get visitors. So in this case, just wait. And since you have set up your, this is the way you set up your Bing Ads campaign. So starting from selecting keywords, as you can see here, this is keyword section. So we are here in credit repair campaign, and these are all the keywords that you selected. And don't worry about the cost. Even in the keyword planner tool, it says that this keyword, for example, will cost you $9 a click. Don't worry, because you set up the maximum bid to be 20 cents. So this keyword will generate some of these keyword will generate most of impressions, some will not, but that's fine. Just keep them there so that you get more traffic. All right. So that's how you set up your campaign in other means of setting up campaign, starting from keyword selection. Okay. And of course, one sample of unsaturated product in ClickBank is this credit repair magic. So if you want to try it on your own, so go ahead and follow these steps. Make sure you really put a correct information here. So don't just copy and paste. So modify some of the text to make it really ethical, and provide correct information on your audience. So that's it. So if you want this kind of content, so just subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment below if you require something else. Yeah, that's it for now. Thanks.